Go on, Brandon. Go on, Brand. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. Deep breaths, Brandon. Deep breaths. I'm watching you. Keep driving. Keep driving, Brandon. Oh, nice one, Brand. Brandon, you're in front. Just keep plugging away at it. You're doing well, Brand. Deep breaths. Keep breathing. Deep breaths. This is yours, Brand. Hang in there, Brandon.
Come on, go. Turn, Brandon. Come on. Don't worry about your nose. Throw one later. Brandon, go to score now. First score wins. You've got a minute. First score wins, Brandon.
All or nothing, Brandon.
Brandon, you commit. When you turn in, you're going to launch him. But you need to take the throw to the floor.
All this on camera. Jeez, I've got goosebumps.
What? I know. He's fighting well, isn't he?
He's done really well so far. Thank God.
Come on, Brand, all you! All you! When he pushes, turn in! Yes! Good boy! On top!
Yes!
Boys! Mattei, boys!
Mattei, Brandon.
Mattei, boys!
Hang in there, Brand.
Brandon, don't lose your rate because you're going to lose the clock. Keep calm.
Deep breaths.
Leave it until they say. Brandon, don't get too aggressive, okay? Because you're going to lose it. You need to keep in control. When he pushes on you, that's when you turn. Do you understand? When he pushes, turn. Off, Joey. Go on, Joey!
Well done, Brand. Don't leave it that long in future. He was terrifying me.